Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer payouts from Soundstripe to your bank. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin the payout transfer process from Soundstripe to your bank, log in to your Soundstripe account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Payouts section in the main menu. Click on the Payouts tab to access your payout options. You will see your available balance displayed clearly. Next, select the option to transfer your funds. If you're transferring for the first time, you may need to add your bank account details. Click on the Add Bank Account button. Fill in your bank account information, including the account number and routing number. Double-check the details to ensure accuracy. After entering your information, save the bank account details. Now, go back to the Payouts section. Choose the amount you wish to transfer to your bank. Confirm the transfer by clicking the Transfer button. You may be prompted to verify your identity for security purposes. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Once verified, your transfer request will be processed. You will receive a confirmation message regarding your transfer. The funds may take a few business days to appear in your bank account. Be sure to monitor your bank account for the incoming funds. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.